Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best new Rolex watches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the men's icon high-precision quartz chronograph watch by Bulova. This watch showcases precision craftsmanship with its robust stainless steel case, measuring an impressive 46.5 millimeters in diameter and 17.5 millimeters in thickness. The black dial is protected by a curved mineral crystal, which offers durability and a sleek appearance. One standout feature is the chronograph functionality, which allows for precise timekeeping and adds a layer of versatility to the watch. When it comes to performance, this watch doesn't disappoint. Powered by a reliable quartz movement, it offers accuracy that Bulova is known for. It's also water-resistant up to 300 meters, making it suitable for professional diving and other water-based activities. The fold-over clasp with safety ensures the watch stays secure on your wrist, while the stainless steel band adds a touch of sophistication. As a premium option in this lineup, this watch is ideal for individuals seeking a high-performance timepiece with a bold design. Its weight of 9.14 ounces might be on the heavier side for some, but it adds to the premium feel. The main drawback is the price point. It's the most expensive watch in this countdown, but well worth it for those who value functionality and aesthetic appeal. Coming in at number 4 is the Vintage Rolex New Edition, authored by David Silver of the Vintage Watch Company. While this isn't a wristwatch, it's an essential guide for any Rolex enthusiast. This 2025 expanded edition dives deep into the history of the iconic brand, offering stunning imagery and detailed insights into Rolex's most coveted models. If you're looking to understand the craftsmanship and legacy behind Rolex, this book is the perfect companion. The design of this guide is visually striking, with high-quality images that capture the intricacies of various Rolex models. Whether you're a collector, investor, or someone who simply appreciates luxury watches, the book provides valuable knowledge and inspiration. It's priced affordably at $87.85. Making it a fantastic entry point into the world of Rolex for those who aren't ready to splurge on a high-end timepiece. However, as this is not a physical watch, it may not appeal to viewers strictly looking for wearable products. That said, it's a must-have for anyone wanting to educate themselves on the brand before making an investment. Its reasonable price and wealth of information make it an excellent value proposition. At number 3, we have the Pacific Diver Automatic Blue Dive Watch by Luminox. This timepiece takes dive watches to the next level, featuring a 42mm case with a gorgeous wave-pattern textured dial and shimmering ceramic bezel inserts that evoke the spirit of the ocean. Beneath the surface, it's powered by the precise Sellita automatic movement, which is driven by the wearer's activity, making it both functional and fascinating. The build quality here is exceptional. The fold-over clasp ensures security, while the ceramic bezels add a touch of luxury to the design. This watch is engineered for peak performance in various situations, whether you're diving hundreds of meters underwater, catching waves, or simply wearing it to the office. The automatic movement ensures reliable timekeeping without the need for batteries. While the price tag of $1,395 might deter budget-conscious buyers, this watch is tailored to those who demand top-tier performance and a striking design. Its versatility makes it suitable for both professional divers and style-conscious individuals. However, some may find the ceramic bezels prone to scratches over time, so extra care is recommended. At number 2 on our list is the used GMT-Master 2, Ref 116713, Black Dial by Rolex. This classic luxury watch is a favorite among collectors, featuring a steel case that embodies the timeless elegance of Rolex design. The black dial is understated yet sophisticated, making it versatile for both formal and casual occasions. Performance-wise, the GMT-Master 2 offers unparalleled precision and durability. Known for its dual time zone functionality, this watch is perfect for frequent travelers or professionals who need to track time across different regions. The steel build ensures longevity, while the iconic Rolex craftsmanship guarantees reliability. At $15,500, this is a significant investment, but it's one that pays off in terms of prestige and functionality. The only drawback is that it's a used model, which may not appeal to everyone. However, for those looking to own a piece of Rolex history at a slightly lower price than brand new models, this is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Submariner Hulk Green Dial Men's Luxury Watch, M116610LV0002 by Rolex. This masterpiece is not just a watch, it's a statement. The vibrant green dial and bezel give it an unmistakable look, making it a collector's favorite. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this Submariner is built to last, and the 40mm case size is perfect for most wrist sizes. When it comes to performance, the Submariner is second to none. It's water-resistant up to 300 meters, making it ideal for professional diving. Its automatic movement ensures reliable timekeeping, and the iconic Rolex design guarantees that it stands out in any setting. The Hulk nickname stems from its bold green color, which is both striking and distinctive, priced at $20,950. This is the most expensive watch on our list, but it's worth every penny for those who value luxury, performance, and exclusivity. The main downside is the price, which puts it out of reach for many buyers. However, for those who can afford it, the Submariner Hulk is the ultimate Rolex experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.